Do you know what challenges are faced by astronauts in human spaceflight missions? Do you know how to overcome those challenges? To understand about this, we are going to discuss today cooperation in space biotechnology. Hello everyone, welcome to UPSC Talks from Lukmaan IAS. My name is Jahidul, and in this video today we are going to discuss about a framework memorandum of understanding that has been signed between some of the prominent bodies like Indian Space Research Organization, Department of Biotechnology and Department of Space. Alright, and this cooperation is known as Framework Memorandum of Understanding on Cooperation in Space Biotechnology. So first of all, let us understand what this cooperation is trying to achieve. Basically, under this cooperation, there will be cooperation between different departments under the Ministry of Science and Technology. What are these departments? As I discussed, one of the department is Indian Space Research Organization, other department is Department of Biotechnology, and the third department is Department of Space. And here it is important for us to understand that this cooperation has been recently signed, right? And during the signing ceremony of this cooperation, the Minister of States for Science and Technology or Minister from the Ministry of Science and Technology was present. Dr. S. Somnath was present, who is the chairman of Indian Space Research Organization, and he also holds another post. He is the secretary in the Department of Space. So basically, and apart from this, from the Department of Biotechnology also, there was a prominent person who has signed this particular memorandum of understanding. So what this memorandum of understanding is all about? In this memorandum of understanding, two things will be taken care of. One thing is, let's say, the human spaceflight missions. In case of India, we have planned for Gaganyaan mission. And in future, in 2035, we are going to have another mission which is known as Bharatiya Antariksh Station, means like Indian Space Station. All right. So these two missions are some of the prominent missions for India. Why? Because India is planning to send human being in the Gaganyaan mission. And in the upcoming mission, although much updates are not available, but Indian Space Station or Bharatiya Antariksh Station, it is going to be a kind of, let's say, a leap forward for Indian Space Research Organization. So what challenges does, let's say, astronauts face when they are into the space? There are prominently two important challenges. One important challenge is, let's say, they have a continuous requirement of nutrition. Apart from this, the other requirement is that how the waste is disposed of when they are in, let's say, any space mission. Okay. So to address these things, let's say, it is important that there should be cooperation with appropriate departments. So the Department of Biotechnology has come forward in this regard. So Indian Space Research Organization and Department of Space and Department of Biotechnology have, let's say, planned to sign a memorandum of understanding where, let's say, space biotechnology will be taken care of. Okay, so as of now, this particular cooperation is going to help, let's say, the research and development institutions in India to look forward for developing biotechnological solutions for the problems that are faced by astronauts in these space missions. Okay, so some of the problems that I have already discussed, that they have a continuous requirement of nutrition. Apart from this, there is a requirement of, let's say, waste disposal. There can be many other such important things. So, some research and development is needed from the part of biotechnology so that these research can be beneficial for the space missions also. And for this memorandum of understanding has been signed, and so it has been approved by the Union Cabinet, and it is going to be a path-breaking initiative. Okay, where Bharatiya Antariksh Station and BioE3. What is BioE3? BioE3 stands for Biotechnology for Economy, Environment and Employment. Okay, so this policy, BioE3 policy, is going to foster high performance biomanufacturing in India. So after signing of this particular memorandum of understanding, the Department of Biotechnology and various institutions or organizations that are working under it, it is going to collaborate with Indian Space Research Organization and Department of Space, right, to provide biotechnological solutions for human beings who are sent on the space. And it is now considered to be the second space age. Why it is considered to be the second space age? Because here now we can see the convergence of biotechnology and space exploration. Okay, and this is basically driving new possibilities of sustaining living in extreme environmental conditions, in extreme, let's say, environmental conditions like let's say outer space and all. So in outer space we have very less gravity, okay, very less gravity, and apart from this, let's say, like, meeting the nutrition requirement is a challenging thing. So this particular initiative, this particular memorandum of understanding will provide multiple things, let's say, like, to both these departments, and it is going to foster Indian economy also. It is going to help the space sector in India, it is going to help the biotechnology sector in India, and in future India can emerge as a role model for other space agencies in the world. Okay, and India can provide solutions, right, to other space agencies, to other astronauts from different let's say organizations when they need such help from India. All right, the signing of this particular, let's say, policy or memorandum of understanding itself is a milestone, and it is paving the way for future R&D, future research and development in this particular sector. All right, so what is your view on this particular topic? Kindly let us know through the comment section of this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you have a good day ahead. Thank you.